Yes, people, welcome back, or welcome to the TerryTracker channel if you've not been here before. Welcome back if you have. We are in Pattaya, Thailand, and before I get any shit in the comments, these are real Ray-Bans. These are not knockoffs from the market. But today we will be going to one of them markets and having a look around and having a look at the genuine fake Ray-Bans and all that Rolexes and all that kind of stuff. But I promise you, these ones are real. I promise. I got them from the airport. Real ones. Anywho, we're going to have a mooch around in Pattaya, see what havoc we can get up to, see what chaos we can see, because there will be, because it is Pattaya. Anywho, first off, we're going to go to the Robin Hood. Because it's Sunday and they do a nice Sunday roast, we're going to get some scran before we go down into the madness. So for the roast, this is what you can do. You can have an all you can eat for 729 baht. You get choose 6 slices of meat, and then when you finish it, you can get more. Or you can get the 3 slices for 499 baht and just choose. So it's like either 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice. You put 3 slices on your plate. You ask how you want it cooked. You choose your sides. I've chose all of them: pigs and blanket, Yorkshire pudding, stuffing and crackling. And then you choose what veg you want. And then obviously gravy or apple, mint, things like that. I've also told him it's Emma's birthday. You'll see why.
Really?
So when you finish your ticket, you get a lovely server. And here it is. Get a look at that. And that's just the small one. Obviously got me gravy there, but that's a small dinner. Well, that's me done in. Smashed it. Just.
What do you want again?
Hey! Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's why I said it was Emma's birthday. It is technically, it's tomorrow, not today, but yeah, free cake. Well, there you have it. That was Sunday dinner at the Robin Hood. Stuffed now, and I tell you what, it's hot today, and we're out in the heat, and we're out in the madness. We're going to go to a market where it is pure madness. Wait till you get a look at where we're going. Got the sunnies back on as well, and they are genuine. Stop saying they're not. Just come in Pattaya. I didn't buy them in Pattaya. I bought these 18 months ago in Newcastle Airport on the way to Texas. So there is the Robin Hood. It's on the first floor of the major complex, and to be honest, there's not much else in the major complex. A few things downstairs, nothing else upstairs. It's all kind of closed off. Look at my man's hat here. Wow, that's a good one. I'm not going to lie, people, I thought I said tender testicles. I really did think that said tender testicles massage. Well, I'm trying to find the market on Soi Buakhao, but I'm a bit lost. I think I know where we're going. I think we need to go left at the bottom of here. Little kitty. Go on, lad.
Go on,
Hey!
How you doing? Alright.
That fella on the back of that bike, he had to get helped on. He's absolutely mortal drunk. I'm hoping he falls off. Make good content. Go on, fall off. Fall off. I want to be there when he tries to get off the bike. So the market we're going to is up at the top of Soi Buakhao. You'll see when we get there. If you think this is crazy right now, wait till you get to the market. As you can see, there's not really much of a footpath in Soi Buakhao, so you've got to be careful. I am literally walking down the middle of the road. So this is the market just off Soi Buakhao. When you get in here, it is covered. So it's like an oven. It's an absolute sauna in here, but you can buy anything you like. Oh, puppy cat, puppies and dogs. And little kitty cats. Honestly, it's like an absolute oven in here. All your Calvin Kleins, jeans, and it just goes back and forwards for miles. But honestly, it's like an absolute oven. I'm sweating. Emma, watch out. Could be a booby trap. Go up another line. Told you, it's massive when you go up and down. That's what she said. Be a real tourist, Emma. Get some chang trousers. For some reason, all the tourists get them and they think they're Thai traditional dress, and they're really not. You don't see Thais wearing them. You can literally get lost in here. Look. I'm not going to lie, I'm getting a little bit tired being in here. I am sweating. So as well as all the knock-off gear, you can even get food, groceries, hot food for you to cook yourself, beer if you want it, fresh fruits. So you got food getting cooked just there, and your brand new clothes here. Smell nice. Emma, do you want some coffee? Emma, coffee? Told you it was madness, this market. Literally, you can buy anything. And this is only one half of it. The other half's across the other side of the road. There's still all of that. There tends to be a lot of second-hand goods across this side though. And there's still all that over that side. So there's another hall full of stalls. This side's a lot cooler though, I tell you. And like I said before, the back end of this market is all second-hand goods, so second-hand shoes and clothing and things like that. I mean, you can pick up some good bargains. Did you see Dassy, anybody? Had to get out of that market. I was melting, absolutely melting. Anyhow, I'm going to have a little walk around one of the streets in Pattaya, and I think I'm going to call it a day. Emma's got a broken tooth, so she's had it for a while because it's so expensive to get done back home. We're getting it done here for her. So how much is it to get a broken tooth filled?
Between 900 and 2,000
Baht.
Yeah.
Which is a third or quarter of the price back home.
Yeah.
And just like that, Emma's booked in for tomorrow. It's going to cost between £21 and £47 to get a tooth drilled out, fixed, filled, all the rest of it. And there's a birthday tomorrow. But how quick is that? 24 hours and the maximum £47. And if you want to see millions of pounds worth of gold, these buildings here, all the red and gold coloured ones, they are full of Thai gold, which is about 23 carat in Western terms, purity. And there's shed loads of it. We've come in and had a look at one of the temples here. Beautiful building. That's not a real person, like a mummy, is it? If it was wax, surely it would melt. You know, if it was like a waxworks, that would melt, wouldn't it? And obviously if it's a real person who's alive, he'd be dead, because it's like, he'd be cooking in there. But is that a real mummified person? So yeah, when you have just a little mooch around, wander up and down the back alleys, wander up and down the streets, you never know what you're going to see. And this is one hell of a wat. Call them in Thailand a wat. A temple is a wat. A wat's a temple. What's a temple? A temple. A temple's a wat. Now if you get on an empty BART bus there, you'll be waiting about half an hour till it fills up. They will not move till they're full. So I told them, go now or we not go. Yes, go now, and we jumped on. My man's digging for gold here, look at that. So we're going to have the BART bus because we're meeting Gordon here at Central, the shopping mall. So I think I'm going to end this here. So that's your little mooch around Pattaya again. Soi Buakhao Market and Robin Hood for a carvery roast dinner. Beautiful. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, comment and share. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.